It's autumn, and the rice is maturing in the paddy fields. But in certain areas of Bengal in India, the villagers hurry to clear their land before the rice has fully ripened. These settlements are under siege. They must prepare to do battle with an army of raiders that strike under the cover of darkness. It is a war that will be waged every night for the next 6 months. Lookouts scan for any signs of hostile activity, while the rest of the men prepare their weapons. Led by the normally solitary males, smaller groups of elephants join forces to create 100-strong herds with enough might to take on the villagers. Their joy at finding food is only part of the story. The severity of their situation is very real. Farming has claimed so much wilderness from the plains that the few remaining wild elephant herds are forced to raid crops. The villagers, however, must chase the elephants away before they lose too much of their crop. But it's a dangerous conflict of interests, and these hungry and desperate elephants can become extremely aggressive. The same people that revere Ganesh, the elephant god, have little choice but to do battle with this earthly incarnation. Every year in Bengal alone, the conflict can claim up to 100 lives on each side. Tonight, most of the crop has been saved without bloodshed, but the elephants are still hungry, and a long-term peace will be harder to secure. In a world of increasing populations, more conflicts like this seem inevitable.